Hey guys, today we're gonna play Hello Neighbor. Okay, so guys, what? So, play Hello Neighbor. I'm supposed to go to the basement, and after I complete the whole game, I'm actually gonna do the stuff that I'm supposed to do. In Hello Neighbor, try to unlock all the achievements. Yeah, so let's get on to this. So, come on. So, I'm gonna push you. I'm gonna push you so hard. Use these things. Use these things. Use these things. Yeah, of course you're there, neighbor. Okay, I'm gonna stop talking because the video ends in I think 15 minutes, so it will be weird. Hey, what's up? Close the door. Close the door. Close the door. Nope. Ah! What the? What the? Coffee. Oh no! Get off. Get out. Did you?
You care so much about me that you fall for someone else right now. So it was my fault.
I'm not blaming blame. I know I hurt you, April. Sorry. But I didn't expect you to just disappear out of my life, too. You know? After all those years, I had a child, I lost a wife, and nothing. And if we're going to get involved now, I have to think about Jess. You can't just, like, have her perfect and walk off together.
I didn't leave to punish you. You threw our dreams away. You threw me away like I was nothing. Don't you get it? You broke my heart. And I loved you.
What are you doing?
I don't know, but I'm pretty sure I'll never speak.
Oh, no.
I'll take it. Yeah, you've been counting me for a week.
I'm still no surprise. What changed since the other day? You haven't stopped. No, I'm coming.
What happened?
So you must be careful there, Jess.
Where's April?
She had to go home to a real home.
No, but when is she coming back? Seriously? You know you're doing it. I am. Oh, well, jump off her that sword. Happened. Not deal with it the entire time that you've been here.
Oh,
She explained.
stupid.
Well, don't do this. I have to go home. I was going to come and say goodbye. I can't think. I had a business back in the city. I
You. Ah! Come on, come on.
I know that's why you travel to Market, Minnesota to find out how to harm a pilot with a big
Stop. What the? What the? My bucket. My bucket. My bucket. 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 Bucket.
At Overstock.com, our name makes people think we sell Overstock good. But it's actually everything you see here. Overstock has beautiful new furniture and the latest in home trends, all at Overstock.
Bro, just get me. Just give me. Just give me. Just give me.
indulge in a different view differently. Like a classic Alaskan cloud trip basket for $65.
Randall. Thank you. You were. Why didn't you take your power off? Sorry. Oh, what am I doing? 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 Stupid neighbor. Eh. What the? Jeez. Yeah. Yeah, stupid. Come on. Let me turn off your dang electric. You stuck? What the? You can't cross the road? What are you doing? What you stalker? Get away! You're a stalker. Look, you can't cross the road, stupid. Stupid! I'm gonna turn off the electric fast. Go, go. Turn off. Oh, go, 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 go. Run, 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 run. Just book it, just book it, just book it. Don't look, just book it, just book it. Stupid. face. Stupid face, stupid face, stupid face, stupid face, stupid face. Stupid face! Stupid face! Stupid face! Stupid face! Dang it! Stupid! Poo-it! What the? Doo-doo-y! My gosh! This dude, stop it! I need a bucket! I need a Where's a bucket? A bucket right there! Bucket right there! Bucket right there! I wanna get the bucket! I wanna get the bucket! I wanna get the bucket! 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 Stupid! Like, give me! Give me! Yeah, boy! Yeah, boy! Come here! Or a bucket! It's not a bucket! Yep! I'll leave. I need a bucket. You stupid. I need a bucket. Your mother. What? I'm gonna grab a bucket. No, come here, come here. I'm grabbing the bucket. Grabbing the bucket. Grabbing the bucket and then leave. Give me the bucket. Give me that bucket. Give me that bucket. Give me that bucket. Well, at least I have the freaking bucket. Is it filled with water? Nope. Fill with water more. Like a freaking little bit. Oh, stupid. There we go. Ow. Can neighbor just please stop? This dude's hogging the door. Come on, you hogger.
Welcome, welcome, welcome to you all. For those of you, today is not just a remembrance of art, the celebration of our people. Beaumont Hills is a town founded for art, by art. For- Each of the pieces represent the town in its own
I'm literally in the basement. And yeah, and this is scary. It's scary.